Hello pop pickers, you've probably heard lots of these bogus tracks doing the rounds with fake AI generated artwork. They're a lot of fun and I've been making a few myself. Here's one I made earlier.
Have you seen my thumb? It's haunted, so they say.
And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create your own. Let's get started.
Okay, to assemble the fake song and the album cover, we're going to need the use of 3 sites: ChatGPT to generate the lyrics, Suno AI to work with those lyrics to form a melody and also get it to sing it, and we're going to do use Midjourney to work on the album cover. So first up is ChatGPT. So here we are, and this is an incredible thing indeed. It can do many jobs, including writing song lyrics. So let's just pluck one at random. Can you write me a 2-verse song about... Now let's just go with a completely random bit about a boy and his pet rock collection. There we go. Now I've gone with 2-verse because I'm only on the free version of Suno AI, as we'll see in a little while, and that sort of restricts you to the amount of time your song can be. Obviously, if I paid a bit of money, I can then upgrade and increase that length of time for that song. But at the moment, I'm just going to stick with the free version, and it's restricted to, I think, about two minutes, if that. So I'm just going to stick with a 2-verse and a chorus song. So here we go. Let's see what it gives us. In his room by the window pane, there's a boy with his rocks, a peculiar domain. Each one tells a tale from mountains high to rivers deep where dreams fly. Brilliant. Okay. Actually, it's given us lots, a few more verses, but I kind of like, we'll just grab verse 1, a chorus, and verse 2. So I'm just going to copy that to my clipboard. The next thing we're going to go to is Suno AI. Now this I just stumbled upon. It's a clever site where you can give it lyrics, you can specify the style of music that you want, and away it goes. It starts generating. It gives you a certain amount of credits per day to use, and once they're used up, you either have to upgrade for more for that day or just wait until tomorrow comes round and they'll credit you with a few more credits so you can get back on track and start recording those tracks. So here we're in the create section and we have enter your lyrics. So I'm literally going to paste what we copied from ChatGPT. I'm just going to tweak it slightly, just get rid of those headings there. So we have our verse 1, our chorus, and our verse 2. Enter a style. I haven't found a style it didn't recognize, if I'm honest. So put whatever you want in there. Maybe put in an artist whose style you kind of like, and it seems to get that as well. But I also like the random style generator. So do we want epic K-pop, heartfelt trap, acoustic reggaeton, bouncy indie? Yeah. Should we go with bouncy indie? And let's put a title: rock collecting, pet rock collecting, we'll call it. Or let's just call it My Pet Rocks. Let's do that. My Pet Rocks. Okay, let's hit create. And what it will do, it will generate 2 versions for us. There we go. Our 2 versions have been generated. It very thoughtfully generates an album cover as well, but we're going to generate one by ourselves using Midjourney in the next step. Okay, so let's hear what it's produced. Let's hit play and have a listen.
In his room, by the window pane, there's a boy with his rocks, a peculiar domain.
This one sounds pretty good, doesn't it? But I'm looking to generate an album cover that's got a vintage, a retro feel. So I'm actually going to put something like 70s funk, and I'm just going to generate a couple more songs. There we go, My Pet Rocks. So let's go with this one first. Let's have a listen. Good opener. Long intro.
In his room, by the window pane, there's a boy with his rocks,
I like this.
a peculiar domain.
Brilliant. I think this one might be our one. So, but let's check the second one just in case. Oh, this is a strong start as well. It's got like a Starsky and Hutch feel to it. I like it.
In his room, by the window pane, there's a boy with his rocks, a peculiar domain.
No, I like this one. I like this one. Let's go with this one. So what I'm going to do is just hit the download the audio. There is the option to download a video, as you saw, and it basically stitches this AI generated album art to your song to make a video. But we're going to do that. We're going to do that manually ourselves anyway. So we've got the AI generated song. So we've got the tune and we've got the lyrics, and I could play on this for ages. It's such a lot of fun. I'm not musically minded at all, but I really appreciate this. It's a lot of fun just to experiment and try it out. Okay, next port of call then is over to Discord, and basically we're going to generate an album cover, piece of artwork for the album cover using Midjourney. Now this is a service you do have to pay for, but I appreciate there are other AI image generators out there that are free, but I really like the way Midjourney operates and works. I don't like the fact you have to talk to it through Discord, but I've noticed, and I've been selected to give and be given access to their website version, and I've been trying that out, and that's a lot better. But I'm just chatting to it through Discord here. So let's trigger it by using the prompt imagine. Okay, so everything starts with the word imagine, and it's asking us for our prompt. So we're going to say a retro vintage album cover of what should we say? Let's say a 1970s boy sat at his, well, not sat at his desk, 1970s boy with his pet rock collection. Okay, the more information you give it, the more detailed the more closer the artwork is going to be to what you have in mind, basically. But we'll start with this. We started with nothing, so anything's a bonus. And here we are. So it generates 4 images. Okay, 4 images that we can then take. We can select one to upscale it, or we can select one as a basis to generate 4 more. So we have these here. I don't know what he's doing. It sort of does hands right, but sometimes, I mean, what's this? What is this? Like that one. Again, fingers are a bit mangled for some reason. This one I do like. Him sat with his rocks. So what I'm going to do, I think I'm going to generate 4 more based on this one here. So we're going to do the V4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Variations of number 4. Okay, and here we have our 4 versions. I really like them. I really like them. I think the hands are looking okay this time. So that's cool. What should we go? Which one should we go for? I like, I don't know. He's looking quite proud, number 4, as is number 2. Let's go with, I'm spoiled for choice. Let's go with number 3. Okay, so I'm going to select number 3. Number 3, you are the winner. Where is it? There we go. Number 3, and I'm going to upscale number 3. And there we are. There is our album cover. Now, the last thing we're going to need is a name, because we're going to put the title My Pet Rocks, and we're going to put a name underneath by it. So I'm going to go to ChatGPT again, and I'm going to say, can you come up with name suggestions for a 70s funk band that will sing this song? Because obviously it remembers what we've previously spoken about, so it knows what song I'm referring to. So let's give it a go. Here are some Groovestone. I like Groovestones already. We're off to a good start. Rockin' Funkadelics, Pet Rock Boogie, Soulstone Collective, Funky Pebbles, Groovy Granite, the Rockin' Rollers. These are good. The Crystal Funk Crew. Shiny Soulstones. Brilliant. Again, really spoilt for choice. If you don't like these, we can just hit this button, and what it does, it'll regenerate them. It'll resubmit that request. Let's go with the funky mineral movement, the Rockin' Pebbles. Let's go with the Groovestones. I like the Groovestones. So I'm going to take that, and then I'm literally going to Photoshop the Groovestones over it, then use something like CapCut to stitch it all together, and then we have our made up 70s funk song about My Pet Rocks.